Coming to Preston, I would say I was a naive little boy, having little knowledge about what life really entails, thinking it was just about playing games and watching cartoons. Or getting to Preston, I met great leaders who exposed to me what leadership really means. So with the premise that the function of a leader is to make more leaders and not mere followers, I say, good day, esteemed directors, Mr. and Mrs. Tony Ajayi, our spiritual father of today, members of the senior management team, our ever supportive parents who have continued to strive hard so that we can have a strong educational platform, friends and family of our incoming prefects, and our ever attentive Prestonians. First, let me give all glory to the Almighty God who has given me the privilege to be alive today and made me available to serve. It is with great pride and honor that I receive this mantle, the mantle of Preston International School Presidency. I received this mantle in a symbol of a new journey ahead, a race to meet the expectations of the management, the staff, and my Prestonians. I would like to congratulate our outgoing president and our team who have ensured that during this session, Prestonians navigated through it successfully. You are the reason why we know the real definition of leadership, which is to communicate to people their worth so clearly that they are able to see it in themselves. You are the owners of the large shoes that we intend to fill. You are the living inspiration to all of us here and everybody gathered here today. So be rest assured, this team you have handed over to will fill in those shoes and make them even larger for sets to come. And to the directors and management of this school, we want to appreciate you for your efforts that you have continued to put to build and nurture this wonderful institution. And we are certain that we are ready for the assignment you have given to us. Are we good to go? Are we motivated? So we rest assured, our school is in good hands. And to all our parents, I promise to work tirelessly to ensure every decision made reflects our ambition for the bright future of your wards. I can assure you that during our time as prefects, we will foster a community of disciplined learners who exhibits the habit of honesty, humility, hard work, dedication, and every other good value a Prestonian should have. And to my fellow students, you are the heartbeat of our school. And as your president, I am here to amplify your voice, champion your interest, and ensure that your experience in Preston is meaningful and fulfilling. And to my setmates, we are about to embark on a journey where your support is needed. These students over here are your representatives, and we need your help to achieve the vision we have for Preston. To do this, we must be good role models to ourselves, our juniors, and even to our seniors. So I plead that you join us in this vision so that we can make Preston a great school. And to my ever capable army, as we start this journey together, let us embrace the spirit of leadership through service, humility, and honesty. Together, we can make Preston a great school. Prefect of 2025. Yes, we strive to be. Difference. Because difference is. Change. And change is. What we need. By the perfect will of God, it will be done unto us. Thank you, and God bless you for listening.